Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. So first of all, you have to open Roblox app on your phone or a PC. Now click on three dot. Same process will be followed on mobile as well. So now you have to go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. So if you want to activate voice chat, and so first of all you have to scroll down and you will see this section here, microphone and camera input. In microphone and camera input, you will see this microphone permission. So there is an option to allow the microphone permission by clicking on this toggle button. And the second option is to enable the camera permission to use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So the second toggle button next to it. So you can enable it by clicking on it. Fine. So these are the two options you can enable. But the point is, if you don't see this option in the privacy, then what can you do? So if you don't see these two options in the privacy, what can you do? So what you just need to go to come out of this and you have to go to in account info where you have to verify your age and where you have to upload your photo ID and selfie. Once you upload both things, your age will be verified and these camera and camera option, oh sorry, the microphone option will be updated or listed in the privacy section. So we have to just enable it. And once enable, now let's see how can we enable in the game voice chat. So you have to click on any game that supports camera. Let's open this game, and once you are in the game, once you're in the game, now you have to click on this Roblox icon at the top left. Click on it, and now you have to click on this mic to get this mic option. So once you enable this mic and click on mic, you will see the vibration here in the mic as well. Let me show you the vibration here. You will see the vibration here as I am talking. And also you can enable the voice chat by tapping on this mic option at the avatar side. As you can see, there is a vibration. Also, you can see that. And if you want to get voice chat or sorry, the face tracking, you can click on the video icon to get face tracking. As you can see, fine. So that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. In the next video, till then, bye.